10 Best Injectors for 7.3 Powerstroke 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Powerstroke 7.3 Fuel Injector Solenoid. Is your 1994 to 2003 Powerstroke 7.3 L struggling with hard starts or failing that injector buzz test? Don't let those frustrations linger. Our fuel injector solenoid replacement is the precise solution you need. Part numbers: DPS 003 730 293 151 to 335. What makes this a true game changer? You can install it right into your engine without the headache of removing the entire injector assembly, saving you valuable time and labor. Engineered from high-quality materials, this solenoid doesn't just promise a fix. It delivers superior, long-lasting performance, ensuring your 7.3L runs reliably and efficiently for miles to come. Get back on the road with renewed confidence and a smooth-running, responsive Powerstroke. Number 9. 7.3L Powerstroke Injector O-Ring Kits, OEM, set of 8. Revitalize your 7.3L Powerstroke with our OEM Motorcraft Injector O-Ring Kits, a complete set of 8 for total peace of mind. As a product expert, I can tell you these aren't just any seals. Motorcraft designs undergo relentless lab and real-world testing, ensuring genuine original equipment performance and unwavering reliability that your engine demands. We're talking seals extensively proven for perfect seating and sealing, no matter the temperature or pressure extremes your Powerstroke faces daily. This rigorous validation guarantees dirt, dust, and moisture stay exactly where they belong, outside your injectors. Invest in these kits to protect your fuel system, prevent costly leaks, and maintain your truck's legendary performance and efficiency for countless miles ahead. Number 8. Diesel Injector Sleeve Cleaning Brush Kit. Struggling with stubborn carbon and rust on diesel injector seats? Our Diesel Injector Sleeve Cleaning Brush Kit is essential for flawless installations. Engineered for a vast range of engines including Ford Powerstroke, 4.5L, 7.3L, Cat, Cummins, 5.9L, 6.7L, GM, and Isuzu, it offers perfect compatibility. Durable, high-standard steel wire brushes with comfortable, PVC-coated handles ensure extended service. Safely remove carbon, rust, and dirt from injector seats, bores, and cups without damage. This precision cleaning prevents costly leaks, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Featuring both spiral tube and flat bottom brushes, this comprehensive kit makes injector swaps quicker, cleaner, and more precise. Achieve professional results and save valuable workshop time. Number 7. 7.3L Powerstroke Fuel Injector Solenoid Replacement. Is your 7.3L Powerstroke struggling with hard starts or failing buzz tests? Don't let a faulty injector solenoid slow you down. Our 151 to 335 fuel injector solenoid replacement offers a smart, efficient solution. The best part? You can install this crucial component without removing your injectors from the engine. That's right, significantly less labor and downtime for your truck. Engineered for good contact and fast response, this solenoid is designed to restore your engine's reliability. Plus, diagnosing is straightforward. Simply check the resistance to pinpoint the exact solenoid needing replacement. Get back on the road with confidence, knowing you've installed a quality part that's easy to install and delivers results. Number 6. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke IPR Valve Socket. Tackling the stubborn 7.3L Powerstroke IPR valve just got easier. Our specialized IPR valve socket transforms a tricky job into a smooth operation. Crafted from robust, heat-treated 630 stainless steel, it offers exceptional hardness and corrosion resistance, ensuring years of demanding use without fail. Our improved design makes accessing concealed IPR valves a breeze, requiring only a 3/8-inch torque or 3/4-inch open-end wrench. Perfectly compatible with Ford's 7.3L Powerstroke models from 1994 to 2003, including F-Series, E-Series, and Excursions. This socket is your go-to for reliable IPR valve installation and removal. Stop struggling and get the job done right the first time. Number 5. Ford 7.3L Diesel Injector O-Ring Kit. Is your 7.3L Powerstroke experiencing a rough idle or mysterious fuel leaks? Restore its factory-fresh performance with our Ford 7.3L Diesel Injector O-Ring Kit. Designed for 1995 to 2003 E-Series vans and F-Series trucks with the 7.3 DI engine, it ensures a perfect fit. You receive 8 complete, meticulously packaged sets. Each includes 3 O-rings, a buffer ring, a backup ring, and a copper gasket. Everything for a thorough injector reseal. Manufactured by an ISO-certified facility from high-quality materials, these components meet or exceed OEM specifications like CM 5010 and XC3Z 9229 AB. Each kit is 100% factory tested, guaranteeing durability and a leak-free seal. Invest in peace of mind and keep your 7.3L running strong and reliably. Number 4, 1994 to 2003 Ford 7.3L HEUI Injector Seal Kit. Is your 1994 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke suffering from sluggish performance, leaks, or cold start issues? Revitalize your HEUI injectors with the Alliant Power Injector Seal Kit. Engineered in the USA to exact OEM specifications and rigorously tested, this kit ensures a perfect, lasting seal. It directly replaces OEM F8TZ9229AA, restoring your engine's power and efficiency. As fellow 7.3L enthusiasts know, quality seals are crucial for reliable performance. You're investing in proven durability, backed by an exceptional 24-month unlimited mileage warranty and first-class technical support. Trust Diamond Diesel and Turbocharger service for genuine Alliant power excellence. Get your Powerstroke running like new. Number 3, K&N 7.3L Powerstroke Diesel Fuel Filter. Give your legendary 7.3L Powerstroke the consistent, clean fuel it deserves with the K&N Diesel Fuel Filter. Engineered with premium pleated cellulose glass media, this high-efficiency filter doesn't just meet, it exceeds OEM specifications, ensuring superior protection for your critical fuel system components. Say goodbye to worries about inconsistent fuel delivery. Our filter kit guarantees a reliable flow, optimizing performance, and helping maintain that robust Powerstroke power. This isn't just about filtration. It's about extending your engine's life and safeguarding your investment for the long haul. Experience easy, direct replacement, and drive with confidence, knowing your diesel is protected by K&N quality. Number 2, Ford 7.3L Super Duty 8-piece Fuel Injector Set. Is your Ford 7.3L Super Duty feeling a bit sluggish? Restore that legendary power and efficiency with our 8-piece fuel injector set, engineered for peak performance. Crafted to OEM standard quality, these injectors ensure precise fuel atomization, translating to smoother idling, improved throttle response, and reliable cold starts for your workhorse. This complete set directly replaces original parts like FJ1539 and LC3Z9F593A, offering a seamless upgrade. Perfectly compatible with a range of 2020 to 2023 Ford F-Series, F250 to F550, and E-Series, E350, E450, 7.3L V8 engines. You'll experience a renewed driving experience. Don't compromise on your truck's heart. Give it the premium, long-lasting performance it deserves. Number 1, Ford 7.3L Injector Sleeve Cup Removal Installation Kit. For crucial 7.3L injector cup replacements, trust our Ford 7.3L Injector Sleeve Kit. Engineered for unparalleled precision and durability, this kit ensures a professional, reliable repair. We've completely redesigned the installer as a robust, one-piece unit featuring a thicker build and a large support cup for significantly easier and more stable operation. Unlike weaker tools, our kit boasts full stainless steel construction, entirely eliminating the common risk of tool breakage inside the injector cup. This critical upgrade saves immense time, frustration, and potential damage. Covering Ford E/F Series, Excursion, Powerstroke 7.3L, and Navistar T444E/DT 466E vehicles from 1994 to 2003, it's the definitive solution to get the job done right the first time. So, that sums up my 10 best injectors for 7.3 Powerstroke. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.